Well, it's my good friend Pastor Joel's 40th pastoral anniversary. Pastor Joel, you are a very, very dear friend of mine, and I'm very, very honored to be a part of this celebration. You deserve to be commended for the work that you've done, the lives you've touched with your ministry over the past 40 years. I've known you probably 25 or 30 of those 40 years. We met at the Dominion, and I'll never forget the time we spent together and the times you've been with me through tough times and good times and the dinners we've shared together and times we've ministered together. I just really appreciate you and thank God for the opportunity. Thank you, Olivia, for getting me to be a part of this wonderful celebration. God bless you, Pastor Joe. I love you and wish you many, 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 many more years of ministry. God bless you and have a great, great, great celebration.